subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
With Angular's built-in directive, we can achieve complex functionality with just few lines of code. One of such inbuilt directive is ngIf. Let's go to home.component.ts and create a boolean issue with default value false. Now we will go to home.component.html and we will create a div. So the div with value with directive ngIf and value issue is equals to the inner text is this is NSCODE channel. As we can see, star ngIf is the directive and issue is the value for that, and we already declared issue a boolean in home.component.ts and its default value is false. Again, let's create another div with same ngIf directive of value not issue, and the inner text is this is NSCODE video or ngIf NSCODE video, we can say. Let's try to change that. So this is NSCODE ngIf video and let's save it. So on save the changes, we can see oops, we got an error. Actually by mistake 2 stars are there in our directive. Let's try to get rid of one of the stars in home.component.html. So go to home.component.html and remove 1 star from ngIf. Save it again and refresh. You can see this is NSCODE ngIf video. Let's try to toggle the value of issue on submit button click. Go to submit name function. Write this dot issue equals to not this dot issue. This will toggle the value of issue on every click of submit button. Then save the changes and go to browser. Now on click, as you can see, on every click the value of issue is toggled true or false, and based on its value the view is also changing. This is NSCODE channel for true and this is NSCODE ngIf video for false.